Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a Trello board. Maybe you're wrapping up a project, decluttering boards you no longer use, or simply want to focus on your most important tasks. Whatever the reason, leaving a Trello board is quick and easy once you know where to look. Let's walk through it together, step by step. First, head over to Trello.com and log into your account with your usual credentials. If you're already signed in, you can skip straight to the next step. Once you're logged in, locate the board you want to leave. This is important. Make sure you're selecting the correct board, especially if you manage multiple projects. Click on it to open the board. Inside, you'll see all your lists, cards, and project details as usual. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice a menu with several icons, including the familiar 3 horizontal dots. These dots represent more options. Click on them, and a drop-down menu will appear. Within this menu, look for the option that says Leave Board. Before clicking, pause for a moment and double-check, because once you leave a board, you won't have access to it anymore unless another member re-invites you. Go ahead and select Leave Board. Trello will display a confirmation prompt just to be sure this is what you want to do. This step helps prevent accidental clicks. Confirm your choice, and just like that, you're no longer a member of the board. Once you've left, that board will disappear from your dashboard. You won't see it among your active boards anymore, and you also won't receive updates or notifications tied to it. If you ever change your mind, the only way back in is through an invitation from another board member. And that's it. Simple, quick, and effective. By leaving boards you don't need, you can keep your workspace clean, organized, and focused only on the projects that truly matter to you. I hope this guide helped you out. If it did, make sure to hit the like button, share this tutorial with anyone else who might find it useful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more clear, step-by-step tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.